everyone, I know this may come as a complete shocker, but I have had my fair share of use of the seam ripper, and I wanted to show you how I pull out stitches. Yeah, Henry, how I pull out stitches, since I find it super quick and easy. So you'll need to pick enough stitches to get a little tail so that you can hold on to, and then you carefully pull that thread similar to how you'd gather fabric. And this is super easy with lightweight fabric, but since my fabric is on the medium-ish weight, I am just doing a section at a time, and then I'm cutting that so I can move on to the next section. And again, pick enough so you have a little bit of a tail, pull on that tail carefully, and then kind of gather that fabric up. And I find this goes really fast. It is much better, in my opinion, than using a seam ripper for every other stitch or so. And then you just rinse and repeat until all of your stitches are out. Easy as pie. I hope this video was helpful. If anyone has any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, we appreciate y'all for watching, and we hope to catch y'all next time.